Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fizan Tanveer and I welcome you on my channel that name is FD Notes. And today my topic of concern is about how we can easily increase Instagram followers without any app or using any website or anything else. With this trick, you will be easily able to increase your Instagram followers with an easy steps. So let's get started with the video. What you have to do, you open Instagram account as I open. In my profile I have a little bit 81 followers and 8 followings, and in my following what you have to do, you have see a account name, that name is Profigram, and click it and go its following, and you simply just you can see a verified badge on all the its following. What you have to do, you have only follow them all. What you have to do, you have to follow them all that have verified badge on their account. And that's pretty much, and that's it. And again, and the next step is that whom you follow, you have to unfollow them all. Unfollow. I repeat this step again and again, and now you see that I have one following request, and again follow these steps. So friends, I have unfollow all the things, and now wait for your subscribers. If the follower will not increase, again follow, repeat these steps again, again follow them all, and for your convenience you can follow some little, but the thing that is very important is that you repeat the steps, follow, unfollow, follow, unfollow again and again. It takes a little bit time, but it takes time. So friends, you have to repeat this step again and again, and your followers will also, I'm very sure that your followers will increase. So if you like my video, go and click a subscribe button, and click or hit on bell icon, so you can get my latest update very fast and quickly. And if you like my video, click the like button, and so it will support me. Thank you so much.